This video will demonstrate how to assemble composite picnic tables. Here are the tools and equipment needed for assembly. Before assembly, verify all the parts are present. Please contact Uline customer service if you notice any missing parts. Do not tighten bolts until the table section you're working on is completed. To begin assembly, attach the seat brace to the seat board through the pre-drilled holes. Repeat this step for all 4 seat boards. Align the table frame with the support lip toward the inside of the table, then attach the seat boards to the frame. Attach one tabletop board to the frames, then attach the center brace to the middle of that board. Attach the second and middle adjacent tabletop boards to the table frame and center brace. Next, attach the angle braces to the frame and center brace. Attach the 2 remaining boards. Ensure the table is level, then straighten all the boards and tighten all the hardware. Note, to avoid bowing, do not over-tighten. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.